Hey guys, how you doing? Rex here with TorchPrep, back at it again with more math questions. So I am moving on from question number 13 over to question number 14. What I want you to do is open up test 2 in the red books, go to number 14, read the question, but pause the video while you do that. Press play when you've read the question. Excellent. So we're back at a question in our word problem strategy with this sheet cake on the cardboard covered in foil. We have another question concerning it. So this question, again, I've already done 13 for you. When you look at 14, if word problems are just your bane and they take you so long to get through, even with word problem strategy, this is definitely something you should skip, circle and smile, wait till you get to the work portion of your 3-sweep survey, okay? But honestly, if you're comfortable with word problems and you know that our strategy, it really does help you get through it. The math isn't hard here. So if you're comfortable with it, you can totally fly through this in the survey section. So, word problem strategy. What are we doing here? Step 1, we want to know, what are we looking for? In question number 14, we're trying to find the number of pieces of cake possible from this cake. Now, step number 2 of our word problem strategy is, what information do we already know? I mean, we already know the dimensions of the cake. Let's left that picture up there for you. It's 16 by 12, 3 inches tall. You have that 2 inches of exposed foil all the way around. We were dealing with that last time. New information though. Each piece of cake is 2 inches by 2 inches by 3. 2 length, 2 width, and then the full depth of the cake. So interesting thing here, they're not cutting pieces like deeper and more shallow than each other. The depth of the cake stays the same the whole way around. That doesn't change. So you know what we can do? Once again, we don't have to think 3-dimensionally. We don't have to think in cubic inches per piece. We can just ignore that depth of the cake and just think about length times width. So we know each piece is 2 inches by 2 inches. Each piece is 4 inches squared. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to find the area of the entire cake, and I'm going to divide that, by, not by the number of pieces, I'm going to divide that by the area of one piece. By doing that, I will get the total number of pieces. Now the area of the cake, we already solved for that last time. Remember? We had 16 times 12 is the area of the cake. And we're going to divide that by the area of one piece, which I just defined over here to be 4 inches squared. So what is 16 times 12? That equals 196. So the whole cake is 196 inches squared. We're going to divide that by 4 inches squared. When you do this, this will show us if each piece is takes up this much area. This is our total area. The result will show you how many pieces are possible. Grab that calculator if you want, makes it a little faster. 192 divided by 4 equals 48. That is 48 pieces of cake exactly in this. Now if you look at our answer choices, that happens to be answer choice J, and that's the correct answer. Great job.